Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the Eskiin Showerhead, a product promising a spa-like experience, healthier skin, shinier hair, and even up to 30% water savings. But the big question is it legit or just another scam? Stick around because we'll break it all down. First up, the Eskiin Showerhead comes with a 15-layer filtration system. It includes KD55, calcium sulfite, and coconut carbon filters. On paper, it claims to boost water pressure by 2.5 times and reduce water usage by 30%. Sounds amazing, right? But here's where things get tricky. The company lists a physical address that's linked to unrelated virtual businesses, which raises credibility concerns. They also claim NSF 177 certification, but there's no independent lab report available on their website to back this up. When it comes to reviews, the website boasts over 10,000 5-star ratings, yet the product tells a different story elsewhere. On Amazon, it holds a 4.2-star rating from 118 reviews, and Trustpilot shows only 3.6 stars from 3 reviews. Real users are divided. Some praise the skin and hair benefits, while others call it a scam, citing denied refunds and unwanted charges. So, what should you do if you're interested? First, buy via Amazon for stronger buyer protection and easier returns. Second, verify the filtration specs to match your water quality. And lastly, look for independent lab data. If there's none, consider it a red flag. So, is the Eskiin Showerhead a dream spot upgrade or a potential scam? The answer isn't black and white. It may work for some, but the lack of verified certifications and mixed reviews means you should proceed with caution. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share your experiences below. I'd love to hear if you've tried it.